Standing here on Independence Day. We are standing here on Independence Day. Singing Jaya Jaya Jaya. Jaya Jaya Jaya. Jaya 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 Hey. Respected Shinde Madam, Munde Sir, all supervisors, all principals, and all teachers. And last but not the least, my dear students. Today, I am going to tell you something about Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August of every year. It is our national festival. It is celebrated all over India with great pleasure. All people feel happy and blessed on this day. It is celebrated in all schools and colleges, all government, public and private sectors. On this day, the flag is hoisted, followed by the cultural programs. This is a very precious day for all Indians because of after this day, all the Indians are celebrating a great freedom of India. Before 15th August 1947, India was ruled by Britishers. Britishers ruled over Indians and the Indians were treated as slaves. But because of our great national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Azad, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, we are celebrating freedom today. They all devoted for us their lives. Many of them sacrificed their lives to get freedom for India. So because of them, we are enjoying freedom in India. They have done so much for us. So it is our duty that we should do also something for our country. Everyone should do something for country. Everyone can contribute for the progress of country. India is a developing country. It is still developing in the fields of education, technology, sports and so on. So we should also try to contribute. We should also try to make India a developed country, fully developed country. So as a teachers, it is our responsibility to bring our children, bring our students up with the flying colors. We should teach them so well that they become great leaders, great teachers, great engineers, great doctors, great scientists. And in this way, we should contribute for the future of our great India. So, I would like to end these words of Independence Day by taking oath that we will do our best for the best of our country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.